Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your POCO M8. So first, what we want to do here is we want to check the volume during a call. So you can try calling up somebody here. You can change the call volume to when you open up the phone app. As you guys can see, this is the volume. Now here, if we go here, you see we changed the different icons, so now we change the media volume. So while being here, you can just make sure that you put volume up all the way and make sure that you boost up your call volume. Now next, what you guys want to do is go over to settings and make sure that Bluetooth right here is disabled, because if it's disabled, then we rule out any connected devices like headphones, even a car, TVs, and everything else that's just connected by Bluetooth. Now, after that, what we want to do is, you see this little cut right here. It's kind of white in a camera. That's our earpiece. Now, we want to clean it with a soft brush, for an example, and a soft brush does the job the best. So I would recommend using a soft brush for it, because earpieces sometimes can be stuck with dirt, for an example, debris, everything, and they can just block some part of the sound or just mute the sound completely. So make sure to clean your earpiece. And next, if you are using phone app to call up somebody, maybe try calling up again with the phone app, or try changing the app to see if that problem is only with the phone app or it's a problem for everything. Now what we want to do next is restart our phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button, and here we want to swipe down to reboot. And once our screen is black and the icon is green, we can let go, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the phone restart, what we want to do is go over, and let me quickly unlock it, is go over and check for software updates. So we want to check for software updates in About Phone. Then we click right here at the top, and I have no updates available. To check those updates, you need to have a Wi-Fi connection, and as you guys can see, if you will have an update, then you will see it. Instead of the Xiaomi community button, you will see the download and install. Now, if that did not help even after the software update, we can scroll a bit down to factory reset. Here we will erase all data. Here we will confirm with our PIN, and first it will ask us to back up the items. Of course, we want to back up everything because we will lose contacts, photos, videos, basically everything that we have on our device, so including apps, progress, and let's say games. And here, after we click factory reset, we will have to wait 10 seconds, and as you guys can see, factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and personal data. So after we click next, we will also have to click OK, and that's basically how the process looks like. So make sure to back up everything before you do that, and then check if that works. If not, then I would recommend bringing the phone to the service center for further inspection. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.